Hi, babe.
What?
Dad.
What that bag? Ma, can you get her a wipe right quick? Just the diabetes.
Dad, mommy.
Nah, nah. Nah, 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 nah. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Be careful. It's okay. You ain't fall really, baby. Pretty, pretty, pretty.
Keep this nearby.
Okay. Diabetes, 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 where you go? Diabetes, 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 never know. It's okay, diabetes, diabetes. This is my home.
You draw your own stuff. Don't draw on this.
Baby, pretty, diabetes, nah, nah. Diabetes, what you did, dog? Diabetes, what is you doing over here, dog? You can't ride that, baby. Why you push it up on me? Huh? You gotta be careful.
Scoot that way. Thank you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Why you gotta be so irritating? What you blow this chalk? Thank you. Yay! Get up. Go tell daddy. Go tell dad. Look. Look at dad. Get up, Journey. Get up.
Don't throw that over there.
How she gonna take that out of my hand and throw it?
I know.
Yeah, give me that.
Yeah.
Demora, come here. Stop trying to throw stuff over the gate.
Diabetes. What you doing, girl? Huh? How pretty?
I'm trying to stop. Go over there.
What is she doing over there?
Messing my stuff up. Go over there and do that, Journey. Go over there and draw. Go over there. Go over there. Over there. Go over there. Some more. Go over there.